Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss some of the high impact news event windows that are coming our way very soon. In today's video, we'll be covering Wednesday the 22nd through Saturday the 25th, and there is a lot, so let's get moving. Beginning with Wednesday the 22nd, we will see news at 3 a.m. coming at us out of the UK, followed by 2 p.m. Eastern Time news out of the US, and again out of the US at 2:30 p.m. As we work our way into Thursday the 23rd, we will see news at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time coming at us out of Switzerland, followed by 8 a.m. news hitting us out of the UK, and then again at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, this time coming at us out of the US. Working our way into Friday the 24th, there's a whole lot more still. We have 4:15 a.m. Eastern Time news and 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time news out of Germany and France, respectively, for PMI. And as we continue at 5:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we then have PMI out of the UK. And continuing on at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll then see news again out of the US. So it's going to be a very action-packed morning. And then finally, as we work our way into Saturday, the only noteworthy news to report is that daylight savings time in the majority of Europe is going to be taking effect. So get ready, rock and roll. I'll see you all in the next one.